Welcome to Module 1 Overview video. This video is to provide a small look at what is discussed in Module 1. This Module 1 discusses customer service and operations management. First, I would like to welcome you to the Career Development Seminar. Thank you for choosing our seminar. This seminar exploring high-demand careers in the related fields, such as accounting, finance, human resources, customer service, social media. This career development seminar is 10 weeks long. Each of the modules are routinely updated to respond to current job opportunities. So now let's begin with Module 1. Module 1, Customer Service and Operations. This module highlights the importance of the customer service experience, the communication skill set that a customer service representative must have, the introductory to operations management, and the transformation model, which is found in operations management. Let's begin with the customer service experience. As a child, you may have went to Disney World. You may have been in awe of Disney World and the dreams that could come in Disney World. This type of experience is what companies and organizations' ultimate goal. Because as you were a child going to Disney World, you, later in life as an adult, may take your own child to Disney World to experience the Disney World experience. Organizations must provide an experience. These experiences are defined as providing a very positive, memorable experience, which the customers cherish over and over. It's also going above and beyond, providing something unexpected for the customer. You all have heard about the Starbucks experience. Starbucks coffee shop is completely unique from other coffee shops, or when it first began. This experience also kind of creates a loyalist with your customers. Customers become loyal to your brand because of the experience. It's very important when working in an organization to maybe help try to maintain the experience. If you're working with customers, you also want to be positive and try to maintain the experience outcome. Customer service via web. Customer service used to only be face-to-face. You would have to go into a store to talk to a customer service representative, or by the phone. Now customer service via web is very popular. It is important for an organization, or if you're starting your own business, if you're providing a website, maybe you should provide a chat feature. The chat feature lets customers interact with customer service representatives 24/7. The chat feature is a friendly reminder for customers to get feedback or to provide any feedback to the company. Providing self-help tutorials. Self-help tutorial videos will help customers understand how to use the product, or if they're having any problems with the product, to diagnose any issues before calling or sending their product in for replacement. Email and responding timely. Every employee most likely will have a corporate email. It is important when interacting with customers or other businesses, or even other employees in the business, to respond timely, at least within 48 hours, and to be polite and courteous. You do not want to come off rude to the customers. Customers will then maybe reject or think lesser of your company. It's also important with social media. This is giving you 24 access to your clientele. It also gives your customers 24/7 access to you. It is important to maintain a positive attitude and provide very up-to-date features on your website, such as new products and new updates for your products. Communication skill set. Having excellent communication skills, such as written, verbal, and nonverbal. You also want to listen effectively. Do not get distracted. In listening effectively, also, you want to make sure the customer feels that they are number one. They are the most important person at that time in your mindset. Everyone in the organization will be working indirectly or directly with customers. So it's very important that you have up to par communication skills. If you're working face-to-face with a customer, remember to smile, have good eye contact, have good posture, and be friendly when speaking to customers. Positive attitudes help relate to the customer that this company is good to work for. In the communication skill set, it can also harness the ability of the customer service experience. Operations management is the process of carefully managing the organization to create and distribute services or products. It also could be to create and distribute services and products if your company does multiple products and services. Operations. Operations are functions of the organization, i.e. the finance department, marketing department, and the human resources department. You may be currently working in one of those departments. That department is an operation of the organization. Activities of an operations can be classified as input, transformation processes, and output. The transformation model highlights the various activities of an operation, such as the input, the transformation process, and output. In the transformation model, you have inputs that then become transforming processes, and then you finally have your outputs. There's also the feedback loop. This is the diagram of the transformation model. You may be asking, what are inputs? Inputs are transformed resources and transforming resources. Transformed resources are materials, information being processed, and customers. Your transformed resources do not have to be all three. It could just be materials. You have transforming resources, which are your staff and facilities. Just like transformed resources, your transforming resource could just only be staff, or it could just be facilities. Your transforming processes is the process of changing the materials or the customer's mindset, the location of the materials, and so much more. Output, either the finished goods or finished processes that could relate to finished services. There's the feedback loop. This is a very important process of the transformation model. This is the process of adjusting the inputs in transformation process that are used to create the outputs. Feedback also can provide continuous improvement with your products. An example of the transformation model is Apple's iPhone. The inputs would be the materials, and also information being processed on how to create the iPhone. And you also have transforming resources, which would be the staff and facilities on where the iPhone is produced. The transforming processes is the process of changing the materials, altering the materials to finally create the iPhone. And also the location of materials. Your materials could be located in other countries and have to be shipped to your China operation. Then the outputs. Your outputs would be your finished goods, such as the iPhone. This is how the transformation model works. Apple will look at the transformation model for the iPhone, and the feedback loop will help them adjust. Do we want to continue adding this input, such as that material, or do we want to alter? This altering decision can maybe be because of reducing costs or making it more efficient to produce. I would like to thank you for watching the Module 1 Customer Service and Operations Overview video.